Meaning of golden wedding.
Golden wedding.
Golden wedding.
Golden wedding.
Golden wedding. Golden wedding refers to a couple's 50th wedding anniversary. The term golden represents the value and significance of such a milestone in one's life. It is a time to celebrate the couple's enduring love, commitment, and dedication to each other throughout the years. This occasion is often marked with family gatherings, renewal of vows, exchanging of gifts, and recognition of the couple's contributions to their community. It is an opportunity to reflect on the joys and challenges of marriage and to reaffirm the importance of keeping the love alive for many more years to come.